Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today is March 26, 2022. It is a Saturday. I went to Home Depot and picked up a couple items. I had to ask a family member to come watch Bullseye because I couldn't take him with me. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. We're going to quickly go over what I picked up from Home Depot. Thanks for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, and subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Like I said in the intro, today is March 26th, it's a Saturday. Went to Home Depot. I also went and got one single item from Harbor Freight. We'll do just a separate video on that. So, I needed a bigger drill bit. The biggest drill bit I had, the biggest Milwaukee drill bit I had, excuse me, I keep hiccuping, was a 1/2 inch. I needed a 9/16. I went to Home Depot, I grabbed actually 3 drill bits, and I just grabbed them off the shelf. I wasn't concerned. I'm like, you know what, I'll probably use all of these anyways. So I grabbed a 3/4, which is a large shank. I think this is a slotted shank too, so it's round, but it's got flats on it. So it's got a flat here, and it's got one on the back. So it's got 3 flats. I'm pretty sure this is probably, might be 1/2 inch shank. Yeah. 33/64. What's the shank? Shank's about 12.87 millimeter, so it's a little less than 9/16. Put it in inches. It's about a 1/2 inch shank, so 0.5075. So yeah. It's 1/2 inch shank. So I need the 9/16 because I had to, in the previous video right before this one, I actually talked about these bushings. So these are not meant for the shocks that I have, and that is this Bilstein shock right here. And I will put a link up here for the video right before this video. As a reference, this is a 33-187174 Bilstein B8 5100 shock, and I couldn't get these black bushings. They have a kit. It would be this kit right here. The kit's not available for 7 or 8 months, is what Bilstein told me. This shock usually has a black boot on it, which is this guy right here. I put a Rancho boot on it. I also stated in previous video. So these bushings are actually metric, and I had called Jegs, called a ton of people. Jegs was the only one that was able to help me. The outer diameter of these and the thickness of these bushings are correct. The inner diameter is what's too small. These have 3/8 inner diameter. I need the inner diameter to be 9/16. So here's a full brand new kit, but I don't want to use these bushings because I actually took this kit out of a brand new shock kit I have. So you get one of these bags in every shock. So I picked up 2 more of these shocks, but it's not the same part number anymore because these shocks were superseded by a new part number. So this part number is 33-187174. The new part number is 33-313164. That's the new part number for these. I just remember it off the top of my head. I ended up finding, these are all standard spec'd. And I will post the previous video because I put all the specs on that previous video about measurements from metric the metric measurements of these actual bushings to the standard measurements of these. And this right here is 9/16. So I grabbed a 9/16, a 5/8, and a 3/4, and I grabbed these two because it was just easier to grab. So I spent $82.18 on these 3 drill bits. So the 3/4, the big one, is $29.37. The 5/8 is $24.87, and the 9/16 was $21.47. So what I'm gonna do is the gentleman I was speaking to, he's like, we don't have anything with those exact specs, other than this bushing with a 3/8 inner diameter, and this bushing is an Energy Suspension brand bushing. 9.8144R is the shock bushing number. If you guys need to look for these, the shock up here, this shock is actually supposed to be on a 2003 to 2021 4Runner. This was installed on a 2000 limited 4x4 4Runner, which is what I have, because it's got a lift kit. So these bushings are a little bit thicker, and what I mean by that is these are the exact correct size. So this one is 7/8, and I'll grab this guy and I'll show you guys real quick the difference between these bushings. So 7/8, and that is from the bottom of this bushing to the top of the lip. Now these do not have the lip, because when I drill these out, this little nipple is going to disappear compared to this nipple, and the way this nipple, it just goes into the body. So if we measure this one, (7/8). So it measures at. So these two are the exact same size. The difference is not, both of these bushings, these black bushings, are not the same. So this one has the little lip. This is the bottom bushing. So you would put this on first, then you would shove the shock up through the body mount, and this lip actually goes into the body mount. So this bushing, and that's why this one doesn't have a lip, that's the upper. So the actual amount of this bushing that's used is 5/8. That's what's actually used. So half of this bushing is used because this is actually goes into the hole. So if you think of my finger as the body mount, or the shock body mount, it would literally sit in like that. So this disappears into the body mount, and then so 5/8 of it's actually used. So I'm not going to cut these. I'm just going to see if I can get them to smash down quite a bit, a little bit. They should fit, but that's why I picked up the 9/16. And the part number for the 9/16 is 48-89-4634. And it shows in metric 14.3. And this does read at 14.3 in millimeters. 14.4. So it is 9/16. I didn't need the half inch, or I didn't need the 5/8 or the 3/4, but I was already there. I just grabbed it. It was just easier. So I'll show you guys real quick. I'm just gonna modify the bushing. That's all I'm gonna do. So this is a 9/16. It fits quite smoothly. No issues whatsoever. It does fit nice and tight, so that tells me that it is a 9/16. It moves in pretty smooth. Same with this one. moves in nice and smooth. So it is a 9/16. These I just picked up to have. I'm not going to take them out of the package until I need them. The part number for the 5/8 is 48-89-4636. And for the 3/4 is 48-89-4640. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to drill out these to the correct size, which looks like most of this nipple on this guy right here. So if I actually put it like that, it's actually 98% of that little nipple. So there is still plenty. So if I grab the caliper, there is still 10 millimeters from where this hole would be drilled. There'd be still 10 millimeters of meat on the outside, and that would be, it's actually 13 30-seconds in fractions. It's 10.50 millimeters or 0.41. So it's almost a half an inch much more meat on the outside of these bushings, so they will do just fine. That is why I picked those up. I will link, like I said multiple times at the beginning, I will link. I'm not gonna cut these right now because, you know, I can't install them right now. It's pretty dark. I gotta give my pit bull his meds, his after surgery meds and everything. So I'll probably be doing this tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna record it, but I will give you guys updates. Picked up a 9/16 drill bit. I love these Milwaukee S&D titanium drill bits. They are amazing. I actually have, the smaller kit right here. This is the very small kit. Or this is the full-size kit, my bad. No, this is not the full-size kit. So I have the smaller, like 14-piece kit. I also have the 29-piece kit of these drill bits with the 1/4-inch quick shank. And now I have these guys. I could have swore up and down I bought a 3/4 and a 5/8 and a 9/16 at one point, but I can't find them right now. They're probably on one of the service trucks. They're not here. So I'm just going to put these in the toolbox, leave them here. That is all I got for you guys today. I do hope the information was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. One last thing, 9/16, it shows 14.3 millimeters. The 5/8 shows 15.9 millimeters. And the 3/4 shows 19.1 millimeters. So they do give you the metrics. You know, if your measurement that you have on you is metric, they do give you the metric measurement. This shows plastic, wood, angle iron, and brick, steel or brick. They work great. I've used them on brick. I've used them on iron. I've used them on wood. They're fabulous bits for the price. And even the kit, I got the 29-piece kit that goes all the way up to 1/2 inch. I got that kit for 99 bucks. It's usually like $200+. So I do hope the information's helpful to everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, go check out the affiliate links. I will be bringing a bunch of stuff to the channel for you guys as well, so leave comments down below if you've gotten this far into the video. I've been an Acme tool rep for 10+ years. Acme Tools has recently contacted me about a week ago. My rep did, and they want to start sending me tools to do videos on for you guys. So I do have a kit coming. I have the Makita 40-volt hammer drill and impact driver kit coming. I'm going to be doing videos on that, and I'm going to be comparing it to the 18-volt hammer drill and impact driver kit as well. So if you guys have suggestions on tools you would like to see, leave comments in this video down below, or even the 8-minute live stream I did to discuss this also. And I will put a link up here for the live stream. If you guys want to get more in depth with the information, But they will be sending me tools free of charge for me to do videos on. And they are all for you guys. They make money, I make money. You guys get information and entertainment, whichever you're using it for. So I do want to stress this though. If you guys do put ideas down below, let me know what the make of the maker of the tool is, the model number, whether it's a kit, not a kit, whether it's a hand tool, doesn't matter. Anything that Acme Tool sells, if you guys want to see me do a video on it, leave the information down below. I will contact my rep, tell him what the viewers would like to see, what I would like to do videos on, and then he will just ship it out for me to do videos on. So start leaving information down below on what you guys would like to see. I hope this helps. I hope it adds more entertainment and more information to the channel. I can't buy every single tool brand on the planet. I already got like 30 different versions of power tools, different makes. I've got probably 30, so just let alone, I think I have 30 hammer drills exactly. I have 28 impact drivers. I do videos on them, but I can't always pay for every single tool just to do videos on it. I have to, it has to be realistic for me to buy them because I need them. So this will make the channel a lot more advanced, because I will be getting tools that I'm not necessarily buying because I need them, but because I'm getting them for the channel. And it's no cost to me, it's no cost to you guys. You guys get to see more content. Acme Tools gets their name further out there. And another thing, if you guys request videos or request specific tools, if you liked the video or you thought it was helpful and you do like the tool, please use the affiliate link that I provide, so that way Acme Tools gets a little bit of money, plus I get some money for referring you through the Acme Tools link. It would be much appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Peace!